Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how you can download Roblox and play lots of games. You can playing lots of game in Roblox and also live stream them on YouTube or Facebook. Okay, let's start. At first we need to open a browser. You can open any browser from your computer and then click to search bar and search Roblox. After that, click on Roblox first website and go there. We need to create here a account. If we don't create an account, we cannot play any game in Roblox. Okay, let's create an account. It's easy to create here a account, don't worry guys. Now let's click on sign up. Now let's verifying our account. Okay guys, our account created in here. Now you can download any game from here, but at first you need to download Roblox application. Okay, let's try to download it. Now click to play button and download it from here. Now click on download button. Okay, it's downloading now. Try to install it on our PC and playing lots of games. You can playing this game and also live streaming on Facebook or YouTube and earn lots of money. Okay, now we need to go and click here to play button. Let's play Sonic the Speed Simulator. Okay, now wait a minute, the game will be open. Now you guys can play this game. Okay, tata, bye bye, see you later in another video.